Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking.
And I'm Jamie from ResslerMania. And we'd like to invite you to join your fellow YouTube creators for the Hershey Collab 2020 Mega Meetup event on the grounds of the picturesque and history-laden Lebanon Valley College. This is planned to be a fun-filled weekend that is designed as a true collaboration extravaganza. No vendors trying to sell you something. No classes showing how to do things on equipment you don't own. Just you and a group of like-minded creators, sharing tips and tricks, having fun, and making lifelong connections. Lebanon Valley College, located in Annville, Pennsylvania, is also a short drive to Hershey, Pennsylvania, home of Hershey Park, Zoo America, the Hershey Theater, the oldest standing structure known in Pennsylvania, and so much more. The college is also a short drive to the Appalachian Trail, multiple wineries, breweries, and distilleries, as well as historic sites, museums, and much more. Just about any niche you can think of, this meetup is for you. This collaboration get-together will also allow you to experience something that no other meetup has ever been able to offer until now. You get to experience modern college dorm life.
Lebanon Valley College is opening up its most YouTube-friendly dorm called Stanson Hall. It has a good number of meeting areas for small groups to plan their collaborations, do interviews, some possible podcasts, or other creative uses. A full-size kitchen is available for collaborative cooking segments or making yourself a midnight snack. The dorm rooms are comfortable, spacious, and come with a bed, dresser, desk with chair, open closet, and room-controlled AC. Since it is a dorm life experience, you will have to bring your own twin XL size sheets and pillow. What most people do is simply bring their sleeping bag instead of sheets. Public and semi-private bathroom and showers are also provided, but you will naturally need to bring your own toiletries, including wash rag and towel. Free washer and dryers are provided on the second floor with elevator access. You just need to supply your own detergent. A buffet-style breakfast is also provided with your cost and is located at the college's Dutchman's Grill. This is a full buffet breakfast with many choices for most dietary needs.
So how much is this gonna cost? Not nearly as much as you might think. Cost is per bed, not per room. Now it's only $60 per bed the first night stay and $50 per bed the second night stay. Now if you're not staying overnight, it's only $20 per person for the whole weekend. Now this cost does include a buffet style breakfast at Dutchman Grill, both Saturday and Sunday. Preferred payment is through PayPal. Information in the description box below. The event dates are July 31st to August 2nd, 2020. Check-in starts at 2:30 p.m. on Friday, July 31st. And checkout is by 10 a.m. on Sunday, August 2nd. Now see the description box below for contact information if you have any further questions. Now space is limited, so reserve your spot today.
See you at the Hershey Collab 2020.
It's going to be one sweet experience. Get it? Sweet chocolate Hershey.
You're really proud of that, right?
Yeah.
Oy.